All right, so final video. This says add a sphere, and you don't have to change the height of the sphere. You place the sphere at the top of the cone. So I like to kind of try to center it to start and then bring it up. Okay, good. So top of the cone, try to see if it's centered as possible. I think that looks okay. Make the sphere a hole. Now with this one, you actually can center it if you want, or align it, I mean. If you click on this and hold shift and then click on the cone, then it says shapes 2. So you can align that. You don't have to, but I think it looks better if it is. Good, so now that's totally aligned. Make the sphere a hole, okay, and group it so that the cone, pretty much group it so that it cuts away from the cone. So group it, yep. So now that's like a perfectly symmetrical hat. Okay, so you're pretty much done at this point. All you have to do is pick 3 colors and paint it those colors. So using shift is kind of helpful here because you can, if you hold shift the whole time, let's say I want my colors to be yellow, green, and red. So I could click, this sphere, this one, the hat, one of the eyes, and two of the rings, and I could paint all those green. So they all will just turn green. Okay, so now I see this is yellow, so now I'll go yellow, I'll go that, this ring. So now I'm just painting a couple of things yellow. Okay, and obviously the star is already yellow, and then everything else red. So I'll click this sphere, this sphere, this. So let's see, hopefully everything are those colors. Yeah, so now it says everything's yellow, green, or red. And when you post your screenshot, I want this angle because I want to make sure that the hole is only going through the leg and not extending out and going into the rings or anything. So a screenshot like this is ideal, something like that. Even just like this would be fine as long as I could just see the hole. Okay, so that is TinkerPerson, and I said this on Google Classroom, but once you screenshot and put it and submit it, I want you to get in the habit of going back into Tinkercad and deleting what you made. So something like that is what I want you to do. Even I want you to actually go back and find all of your assignments and delete old assignments, just so that there's not too much work in Tinkercad right now. Make sure to only delete your assignments, and just so we can keep it, minimize the amount of work that's going on in Tinkercad. All right, thanks so much, everybody.